Welcome to the Big Wipes demo team. I'm just going to start by applying some solvent cleaner over here. Now the reason I'm doing this is to show that we're not using any barrier cream on our hands before we do these demonstrations, and I'm just going to dry that off. And now we're pretty much ready to go. So I'm going to kick things off with carbon black silicone sealant. Now, this is one of the worst things you'd be misfortunate enough to get on your hands, tools, or your surfaces. Now, check that out. I'm going to make this a real challenge, so we're not going to leave it there. This is oil-based high gloss, so that is Dulux trade paint, okay? We've got that in there as well. I'm going to push the boat out. We've got some graphite grease. We've got some multi-purpose grease, but of course it's not just hands, it's tools and it's surfaces. Check that out over there. Now I want to make this a real challenge. Let's get some expanding foam in there. Now there we go, look at that. And I'm going to rub that in as well. So how do you get it off? Introducing Big Wipes Heavy Duty. Yellow tub, red lid, you've got this blue fabric inside. Textured side and a smooth side. The textured side goes face down on the area that you want to clean, and immediately the fabric and the formula are working together to get that dirt off my hands. And with Big Wipes, generally speaking, it's not a question of will it get it all off, it's just a question of how quickly. Now that was fast. But of course with the Big Wipes fabrics, the key thing is the dirt doesn't come back off the fabric onto your hands, so you can just keep cleaning in between your fingers like so, and I can do the same on this hand. Now, I'm really going to show off here because I wasn't even using the textured side of the fabric on this hand. And look at that. I got that hand for free. Now, not forgetting my surface, what you might start to realise though is the absorbency of the heavy duty starts to show its limitations. Well, when that happens, you need the multi-surface. That's when we introduce the yellow tub with the green lid, with the white fabric inside. Made from a plastic-free, entirely biodegradable wood pulp, this product is super absorbent. To get that closer, final, deeper finishing clean on a surface, you need the multi-surface. And how do we know it's worked? Well, check that out. Dirty handprint right in the middle there. So what's the power spray all about? Well, the power spray is the magic juice contained within both the multi-surface and the heavy duty. So you're cleaning away with the multi-surface, and you need to add a bit more juice to keep it cleaning for longer. That's how the products combine together. So heavy duty cleaning for your hands with the heavy duty, super absorbent multi-surface cleaning for your surfaces, heavily supported by the awesome cleaning juice in the power spray. Big Wipes, Bosch.